Let's see another word problem based on quadratic equations. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. So in this problem we are asked to find present age of Pragati. So in solution we'll start considering her present age as x. So let Pragati's present age be x years. Her age 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, that is 2 years before. So from present age we will minus 2. This is her age 2 years before. And her age three years hence. So her age after 3 years will be, in her present age we will add 3. So 2 years ago, from her present age we subtracted 2, and 3 years hence, after 3 years her age will be, in her present age we have added 3. So according to the condition given in the problem, so we can frame the equation. So it's given in the problem the product of her ages, product that is multiplication of her ages 2 years before and 3 years hence. So her age 2 years before multiplied by her age 3 years hence, and this is equal to 84. Let's solve this. Therefore, we will multiply x with both the numbers in the second bracket. So x into x gives us x square plus x into 3 gives us 3x. Same we will be doing with number minus 2. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 equal to 84. So therefore x square, 3x minus 2x can be written as x minus 6 is equal to 84. Next step, 84 will be transferred to other side of equal to. So sign of 84 will change. X square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, next line, x square plus x minus 6 minus 84, minus minus we will do plus and give the greater number sign. So it's minus 90 is equal to 0. So from the given condition we have framed the quadratic equation. Let's solve this. So for solving the processes, sine of first term multiplied by sine of second term. So plus plus gives us plus. Next, sine of second term and sine of third term. Plus minus gives us minus. Now plus minus, that is we have to do subtraction. So what should be the subtraction? Subtraction is the coefficient of middle term, which is 1. Product is coefficient of first term into the last term, that is 1 into 90. So it's equal to 90. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 90 and whose subtraction is 1. So we take the numbers 10 and 9. 10 into 9, 90, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So therefore, x square, in place of x, now we will be using these two numbers. So take the first sign and greater number, x square plus 10x. Take the second sign and the smaller number, minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. So therefore, now let us find out what's common in first two terms. X is common. What remains in bracket is x plus 10. From next two terms, we will be taking minus 9 as common. What remains in bracket is x plus 10. Let's write the common bracket once and terms outside the bracket in new bracket. So you get x plus 10, therefore you can say x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 10 will be transferred on other side of equal to, it will be minus 10, or x is equal to 9 will be transferred on other side of equal to, it will be 9. We know the rule, when the number is transferred from one side of equal to the other, its sign changes. So we have got two solutions, two roots, x is equal to minus 10 or x is 9. But age cannot be negative. But age cannot be negative. So therefore we cannot take the value of x as minus 10. Hence the present age of Pragati is x is equal to 9 years.